If I can show you an almost guaranteed way to make money from the comfort of your home, will that make your day? Do you think your online business will experience a drastic positive change if you can discover how to have your own ebook store? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you will need to pay attention for the next 2 to 3 minutes, as I'm going to share information that will change your online business positively forever. Before I share this with you, let's take a look at these proven facts. According to the research report, the global e-book reader market was estimated at $30.69 billion in 2020 and is expected to reach $38.17 billion by 2026. The global e-book reader market is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 3.7% from 2021 to 2026, by GlobeNewsWire.com. What does this tell you? It means that having your own ebook site is a huge industry and good business if you want to make money from the comfort of your home. Unfortunately, creating an ebook site is not easy. You either have to hire copywriters who will charge you an arm for just a single copy of an ebook and a web developer for an ebook store. And in this case, you will be spending a lot of money on copywriters, web developers with no guarantee of getting results. Or you can, the second challenge faced by your customer as a result of not having access to your product, of course. The result is that you will be, how your customer currently solves the second challenge above. But there's an easier and more effective way to have your own ebook store, without the need to hire copywriters who will charge you an arm for just a single copy of an ebook and a web developer for an ebook store. Let me introduce you to EbookPays, ebook marketplace that pays you. This is our brand new system that can help you have your own ebook store and make money. All you have to do is buy our franchise package for only $100. Then you can have your own ebook store within 24 hours and start making money by sharing and promoting your own ebook store. With EbookPays, you won't have to worry about creating your own ebook and setting up your own ebook store. The ebook store will take care of all that for you. I know you'd be asking yourself right now, how will this ebook store help me make money from the comfort of your home? I'll tell you right away. First, once you buy our franchise package for only $100, then you can have your own ebook store within 24 hours. Your next step, share your website or send traffic to your ebook store. You will get customers and make money. And it doesn't end there. There are more ways you can benefit from this ebook store. For example, if someone buys our franchise, you'll get some commission. Just take a few seconds and imagine how this is going to impact your online business. As you can see, EbookPays will give you a profitable online business. Our vision is to be one of the biggest ebook store that give rewards and opportunity to everyone. To create 100 millions of ebook store franchisees all over the world in 10 years' time. To create our own token to be used at EbookPays and future venture business. You can use cryptocurrency on buying ebooks or buying our franchise package. The result is that you will be able to make money from the comfort of your home. Spend time with your family, earn passive income. Interesting, isn't it? Now, let's look at what you will get with this ebook store. First, you will get access to the platform and earn commission every time someone buys an ebook or join under you. Buy franchise package for $100. This will give you an ebook marketplace site ready for you, loaded with ebooks products, and even embed them with your affiliate links. The entire site is hosted for you. Perhaps, the most exciting thing you will get from this ebook store is a complete business in a box and customer support, because we will handle everything for you. If you think that's all, you're in for a big surprise. You will also earn royalty income every time someone joins under you up to 5th level. This will leverage your income, earn passive income. Awesome, isn't it? You see, EbookPays is an ebook store you can't afford to miss if you want to make money from the comfort of your home. With this ebook store, you won't have to be spending a lot of money on copywriters, web developer with no guarantee of getting results, and you won't also need to be an expert. On the contrary, you will now be able to have your own ebook store. So if you are ready to make money today, click the button below to access your own ebook store. There's a special deal available for you right now. But once you click away from this page, the price may have increased by the time you're back. So grab this offer before this special deal expires. Besides, you have nothing to risk with our VIP support. Click the button below and let's get started. We'll see you inside.